Okay, students, yesterday session we learned about the nth terms, all problems we find out. Now today we have to study about the nth term, sum of the first nth term of an AP. This is the first we know, only nth term of an AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find out sum of the nth term is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of the terms means this formula we have to take. And also if any arithmetic progression last term they are given means we have to use Sn is equal to in last term means same n by 2 into a plus n. Same formula for some of the terms we are using. If last term they are given means we have to use this formula, and the nth term they are given means we have to use this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This if they are given last term means n by 2 into a plus l. Students, by using the sum of the nth term formula of an arithmetic progression, one example. See here, look at here carefully. Find the sum of the first 14 terms. That is, n is equal to 14. Of an AP is sum of the 14 term n is equal to Sn is also given 1050. Sum of the 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is A. A also given 10. First term A is equal to 10. Find the 20th term. A 20 we have to find. 20th term also we have to find. Now by using this formula we have to find D. For 20th formula D also we want, A also want. By using these two we are calculating D, then find out 20th formula. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn is how much? 1050. N is 14 by 2. 2 means 2 into 10. A is equal to 10. N is 14 minus 1 into D. We don't know D. Okay. Now 1050. If we divide this 7 we got 2 sevens are. Then 2 tens are 20 plus 14 minus 1 13D. Again 1050. This bracket and you should calculate this monomial into binomial. 7 2s are 14 and 13 sevens are 91. Okay, next same process 1050. This we take to left hand side. 140 is equal to 91D. Now 150 minus 1050 minus 140. 0, 15 minus 4, 9 and 9 minus here, 5 minus 4, 1. 10 minus 1, 9, 10. Okay. Then 9, 10 is equal to 91D. Same process 91, 1s and 0. D is equal to 10. Okay. Next we get D now by using this formula. Now we have to find out 20th term. 20th term. A20 is equal to A plus 19D. Directly we can write now. A means how much? A is given already, no? 10. 19 into D is how much? 10. 10 plus 19 tens are 190. 190 plus 10? 200. A 20th is how much? 200. Okay, student. In exercise 1.3, first question. 1.3 first question they are asking, find the sum of the following APs. Sum of the following, we have to find the SN in this arithmetic progression. What they are given? We have to find SN of the given. Find the sum of them means we have to find SN. A is equal to 2 and what is D? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and the terms they are given. N is equal to 10th terms. Now according to formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is our Sn? We don't know. We have to find. N is 10 by 2. 2 into a means 2. N we don't know. Oh sorry, it's given. 10 minus 1. D is 5. Everything is given. Just Sn we have to find out. 2 5s are 5. This is 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. Okay. Same now 5. 4 plus 9 5s are 45. Again 5 into 4 plus 45 49. What is the Sn? 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. Correct answer. This is the sum of the term of an AP 245. Okay student, this is same exercise. First question, some different D1 question I am taken. Okay, this also we can solve here. Okay, what here, this is in fractional method it is given. What is our A? 1 by 15. What is our D? N is given. N is equal to 11 and D. D is this minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. LCM of this 12 and 15. Which table? 3 table. 3 4s are 3 5s are. LCM is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now 60 we can take 12 5s are 60, 5 1s are 5. Minus 15 4s are 60, 4 1s are 4. What is our 5 minus 4? 1 by 60. This is our D. Okay. D we find out. 1 by 60. N is given. A is 1 by 50. We have to find out Sn is equal to question mark. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next. N is what? 11. 11 by 2. Carefully see the calculations. A is 1 by 15 plus n is 11 minus 1. D is 1 by 60. Okay, by using LCM method we subtract this, we get D is 1 by 60. Now again 11 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 by 15 plus this is 11 minus 1 10. 10 ones are 10. Directly I wrote. Okay. 11 minus 1 10. 10 ones are 10. Down 60. Okay. Here I will start. 11 by 2. This we can cut easily. It can be add easily. 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6 I am writing. Next 11 by 2. LCM of this 15 and 6 LCM is what? 3 table 3 5s are. LCM I will take here only. See here. This 15 and 6 LCM. 3 5s are 3 2s are. Okay. LCM of that is 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30 for this. Okay. This LCM is 30. Here 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4. 6 5s are 30, 5 1s are 5. Okay. Got it. 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. This is 9 by 30. Now multiply these two. 11 9s are 99 by 2 3s are 60. Now again we can cut by 3. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 2s are. Yes, our SN is 33 by 20. See here once again. First we have to take here 1 by 50. N is 11. D is we have to subtract 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. By LCM we got 5 minus 4, that is D is equal to 1 by 60. Then apply all these numbers in the formula. N is 11 by 2, 2. 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1. Yeah, D is 1 by 60. 11 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 by 15. 10 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 ones are 10. By 60 this will be got. 1 by 6 we are taken. 1 by 6. As it is we write down. Now again this addition of LCM. What we did here. Here also addition. 15 and 6 LCM is 30. 30. Now LCM if take means 15 2s are 2 2s are 4. 6 5s are 30. 5 1s are 5. Adding 9 by 30 will come. 11 by 2 as it is. 11 9s are 99. 2 3s are 6. By cutting 3 table. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are and 0. Okay. Student, see this is another questions in 1.3 second main question. Find the sum. Again we have to find out SN. But here finite question they are given. This is an arithmetic progression. It is finite 84 terms. 84 they are given number last. But we have to take this is L. What we have to take? L. Now A is what? 7. And D is equal to this minus this. If plus is there means don't worry. We have to subtract only. 10 and half minus 7 only. Now 10 and half, 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. You take LCM of this, 2 and 1 LCM is 1 on 2 only. 2 to 21 only this side. Here 2 means 2 sevens are 14. 21 minus 14, 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4, 21 minus 14 means 7. Again 7 by 2. This is our D. Okay, this is our A. Now let L is an nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. We can take nth term of an AP. We can write L is equal to A plus N minus of 1 into D. For L we have to use this formula also. For nth term and L are both same. We can take L as an nth term of an AP. Now L they are given. L is equal to 84. Now 84 is equal to A is how much? 7. N is we have to find out N minus 1. 7 L D is common difference 7 by 2. Now 84 7 plus, okay, here we can calculate. This you take this 7 N into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 7. Okay, 14 minus 7 and 7 and N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Just we take this fraction we take to LHS, what it will happen? 77 into, it is reciprocal of that fraction. If you take this side, it is multiply. It is divide means it will be reciprocal. N minus 1. Don't be mistake. Just it is reciprocal we have to take. If you take this side. 7 11s are. 11 2s are 22 is equal to N minus 1. 22, this one you take this side, plus 1 is equal to N. 23. What is the N value? 23. Okay student, by using nth term for L, we are using N. N we have to find out terms. N is we find out. Now as it is Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. This formula we have to use for finding this one. Okay, Sn. N is 23. Okay, A is 7. L is 84. Okay, 23 by 2. A is 7, L is 84. Now 23 by 2. This you have to take 84 plus 7. 7 plus 1, 11, 91. If you multiply both, what we get? 2093 by 2. We need correct value of this, means we have to divide, means we got 1046.5 means half. 0.5 we got half, you can write. This is our sum of the term. Okay student, in the exercise same second question, one more example we can solve now. See here. Now this is type of here so many integers, minus sign, negative numbers are there. Just we take this also, we can find Sn. First A is equal to what? Minus 5. D is equal to minus 8. This and this minus 8 minus of this minus 5. Understand? Minus 8 subtraction, minus 8 and minus 5 subtraction, minus 8 minus into minus plus. What is our D? 8 minus 3, 1 minus 1 plus means subtraction 3. Greater number is minus sign. Our D is minus 3. Now L is given, last term minus 230, that n term also we can tell that one. We have to find Sn. N we don't know, n also we have to find. Okay. Now first let L be the nth term. L be the nth term. By using nth term we find n. Okay. Okay. L is equal to an plus n. A plus n minus of 1 into D. L is given minus 230. A is what? Minus 5. And n is don't know. Minus 1. D is what? Minus 3. Now minus 230. This minus 5 you take this side, it will become plus 5. N minus 1 into minus 3. Okay. Now 1 minus 1 plus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 1 minus 1 plus subtraction, 230 minus 5 minus 225. N minus 1 into minus 3. Just to take minus 3 to this side, it will become divide. Division of this now. Now this minus into minus, it will become plus. Now 3 sevens are and 1 carry, 3 fives are. What we get? Plus 75. And then n minus 1. 75, this one you take this side, n. This is 76 n. We got n is equal to 76. Now Sn we have to find out. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. Sn we have to find out. N, how much we got n? 76 by 2. And a is minus 5. And l is minus 230. What happened here? 2 3s and 1 carry, 2 8s. Okay. 38. Minus 5 plus into minus, minus 230. 38. Okay. 38 minus into minus, it will be added only now. Into minus 235. If you multiply both, what we get? Minus 8,930. Okay. Friend, in exercise 1.3 direct questions they are given. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equal to 50. Find n and Sn. Sum of the terms and number of terms we have to find out. Very easy. By using An, we can use An as Al also, no? Both are same. Okay, by using An, nth term formula, we find n. Okay, then by using all A, n, L we got means Sn also we can find out. A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 50 is given, and A is what? 5. N we don't know, we have to find. D is 3. Now 50, this you take minus 5, and N minus 5, 1 into 3, 45. Just to take 3 down, N minus 1 into, okay, N minus 1, 3 15s are. 15 is equal to N minus 1, N is equal to 16. Okay. And again, you know, N is equal to last term and nth term and last term we can take. Now Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus An. A plus L also we can write, A plus Al also. Now N is how much? N we find out now. 16 by 2. A is how much? 5. An we find out now. An is already given. L and An both are same, 50. Now this is, if you divide, we got, and this is 55. 8 55 is 440. Our sum of the term is 440. Simple question. Okay student, little different they are given question in this. Third term is given 15 and sum of the 10th term is 125. We have to find D also, A10 also. And by question seeing just first term also not there. Okay, if we want 10th term we have to find out means A and D we want. We have to, by using these two, we have to find D also, A also. Then we find this 10th term. Now first A3 is the 15. A third term how you will write? A plus 2D. Okay, directly. Now A plus 2D means 15 is equal to A plus 2D. This is our equation 1. Okay, assume this is equation 1. Now this one, nth term is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Sn is 125. N also don't know. Sorry, N is they are given. S10. You have to find N is 10. 10 by 2. 2 into A we don't know. 10 minus 1 into D also don't know. Okay. 125 is equal to 2 5s are 2A, 10 minus 1, 90. Now you take 5 to become 155, 2A plus 90. Now 5, 2s are 5, 5s are. What we get? 25. 2A plus 90. This is, assume this is our equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we find out A and D very easily. Just here I will write. Okay. Equation 1, see 15A plus 2D. Here equation 2, 25, 2A plus 90. No number is same. Here one number also not same. If we want to cancel any one means we get the, if we want to cancel D or cancel A, then we get the another value. If you A cancel, you get D value. If you D cancel, A value get. But here A is here 2A, here 2D, here 90. That's why this equation we multiplied by 2. Why? To cancelling this 2A and 2A. That's why we are multiplying this 2. Now equation 1 multiplied by 2 to get the value of A and D. Okay, how it will get? 2 15s are 30. 2 into A, 2A. 2 2s are plus 4D. Now this equation 25 equals 2A plus 90. Now we have to cancel. Now if you add means this will be 4A. Now we have to subtract means minus and it will come. Now if you subtract this equation, we get cancel 2A. 30 minus 25, 5. And 4 minus D, 4 minus 9, we get 5. D. To 5 by minus D is equal to minus 1. Okay, by using these two equations, we find out D. Now, any one equation, you take equation 1 only. 15 is equal to A plus 2D. This you apply in this equation, we get A also. 15 is equal to A plus 2 into minus 1. D we find out now. 15 is equal to A, 2 ones are 2 minus 2. 15, this will become this side plus 2 is equal to A. A is equal to 17. Student, by using these two equation, third term and the sum of the 10th term, we finding A also, D also. Now, A10 easily we can write. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A10 is equal to A is how much? 17. And 9 into D means minus 1. 17 minus 9. What is the answer? 17 minus 9 is 8. Our answer is 8. And D value is minus 1. A also we want, that's why A also we find out. This is your home assignment. Practice well in homework and write the notes also. Thank you.